Good day, good day, good day. It is time for yoga. Hey guys, the whole point of yoga layouts in React Native is to be able to place items on the right screen at the right place and also be able to space items from each other on the screen. If you are familiar with CSS, you will say, well, then isn't that CSS? No, there are some slight differences between CSS and yoga layouts. From the introduction, flexible layouts with yoga. Build flexible layouts on any platform with a highly optimized open source layout engine. As I said before, the ability to be able to place items, to be able to position items on the screen. We have a yoga playground that we can open to play to see how the yoga is used. One great advantage that comes with yoga is that once we are done playing on the screen or positioning the items on our screen, we can get the code in React Native and apply that code in our project. How wonderful is that? That is so amazing, and it would interest you to know that you can actually test these codes on the Expo Snacks, just to be familiar with the whole testing case. So some things you'll notice on the Expo playgrounds is we have flex direction, which gives us row, column reverse, row reverse. We have grow shrink, we have flex wrap. When we go to alignment, we have justify content, we have flex start center, flex end, space between, space around, space evenly. We have align items, align self, align content, we have stretch, we have center, flex end, so many. We also have layout, we have the width and the height. That means you can adjust the height and the width of your screen to 250 and 250. I mean, whichever value you want, just play around with it depending on the screen that you are using. We have padding, we have border, we have margin, position type. There are so many much more. I mean, there's so much more. So you can play with it and get used to what flex is, get used to what alignment is, get used to what layout is, and that's how it is, right? So as I said before, you can get the code here. Once you are done positioning the stuff on your screen, you can get the React Native code over here, and all you have to do is to just copy this code and put it inside your project, and voila. So you can even test it on Expo Snacks, and that's just it. So this is very wonderful, but you really have to understand what you're doing, the meaning of align items, the meaning of flex grow, the meaning of margin horizontal. So you can check the documentations and try to understand what you're doing, not just copying the codes. All right, so that will be it for yoga. Yoga time is over.